Here's something to look out for when you are approving members into your Skool community. So, one way to reduce spam and not have your members harassed in either the comments or in their DMs with just random stuff that's not useful or helpful for them is by making sure that you only let people in that are truly who they say they are. And what I mean by that is when I get a membership request, I first check the location. So this says Dallas, and over here they put Washington. So could they be traveling? Sure. But if both of these are off, the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to the three dots, click it, and then I'm going to click chat. Now, because a lot of times when there is a spammer, they've used other people's photos or names, I'm going to go ahead and blur part of what's on the chat. So just a moment. And so when I've clicked on chat from those three dots, it's going to say a totally different location, which tells me that this is not a true, genuine member. Now, it doesn't mean that this person, like the photo or the person themselves, if they ever request it again, that I would deny them because it might be a real person. But to have those three locations be in different separate areas, and especially this tends to be a location that does end up bringing a lot of spam, and it might not even be a real member. I'm not going to accept this person in. So what I will do from now, like from this point, is I'm going to go ahead and before I deny them, I'm going to click on the three dots again. And I'm going to put report user, and I'm going to put spam. And I also sometimes I just check both, but both of these is going to tell those moderators on Skool as a platform to check this account out. So I hit report, and then I'm just going to decline it. I don't need to message them or anything like that because I know that this is not a real person.